Hello, good morning everybody. Thank you very much for this morning. Now I will presentasi my research topic about the physical concept on heat and temperature of umek bobo as potential learning sources based on the local wisdom. I am Yosef Michael Kobese with collaboration author Warsono and Regi Sakwandi. We are from Department of Physics Education, Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Background. As we know, physics is one of the oldest discipline after astronomy. Even more than 2 millennia of physics are part of the universe. Various natural phenomena and interaction between matter, energy, human, and environment culture can be understood easily because they are always in direct contact in daily life. Uh, Learning physics in the school prioritize the basic concept written in the textbook and then lacks innovation with produce a road generation. In fact, a learning physics must produce a generation who have the cognitive ability, psychomotor, and affective. Those learning physics should adapt the daily material as a learning process. For example, local wisdom and or culture. Culture in local wisdom reflect how to live based on the value of life. Teachers really develop the concept of culture-based learning, so many students are less concerned with their own culture. This is one of the local wisdom can be developed in the resource is Umek Bubu. Umek Bubu is the first home of the Timorese culture which has high ethno value and the interaction of matter and energy. As a traditional building, Umek Bubu has been used for a long, but its physical aspects are not widely known by the millennial generation. The physical value and quantity of Umek Bubu are interaction between nature, matter, and human. Physical material related to umek bubu is heat transfer, and temperature. The furnace and heat sources located in the middle of umek bubu can radiate and convect heat to the whole surface of the umek bubu room. This is method. The method used is located to survey data, literature survey, questionnaire, interview, and documentasi. Random with sample 53 participants. And then type research is descriptive qualitative with description, reduction, and selection. Where description about many questions about what, why, where, who, when, and how about ethnophysical concept on heat and temperature of umek bubu. And then reduction description about potential learning physics in the local wisdom umek bubu. And then selection what description about what potential subject in the local wisdom umek bubu to learning physics. This is a result and discussion. Umek Bubu as a house that has a variety of benefit including as a resident family kitchen, local food store, food preservative room, body warm room in winter, and as a traditional house. The heat transfer system in the form of the gas can survive in the enclosed space. That heat energy from firefox can be used to warm the body and prepare local food stuff. The temperature in the inside umek bubu slow increase from 23 to 40, and then temperature outside tend to decrease from the 35 to 10, and average activity temperature in umek bubu is 29, and then comfortable temperature is 23 degree Celsius. This is illustration of radiation of umek bubu. Radiation is umek bubu exothermic comes from direct sunlight. Sunlight with maximum intensity during the day in the emitted toward the roof of the umek bubu. Further, solar heat energy is absorbed by the roof layer of tech leaf so that it does not penetrate into the house. This condition is evidenced by the different temperature outside and outside umek bubu. And then heat convection. The preservation system for local food ingredient in traditional is by smoking. The transfer of by smoking in the form carbon dioxide particle and other toxic substances the ethic causes the color of the corn to turn black. And then conclusion, analysis of the ethnophysical concept based on the Umek Bobo local wisdom, one of approaching culture-based physical learning media. The result of the ethnophysical data analysis found the correlation between physics and local wisdom of Umek Bobo. Physical as fundamental of natural science can be studied through physical quantities that can be measured directly or conceptually. The closed space system allows the storage of heat energy that is useful for family needs. The heat transfer inside and outside the Umek Bobo is dominated by radiation and convection.